Let's say you have a number 596596. Is it divisible by 7 or 13? Don't worry, after today you'll answer this in seconds. Let me show you divisibility rule of three major prime numbers 7, 11 and 13. Divisibility by 7, you need to follow only two steps. 1. Double the last digit. 2. Subtract it from the remaining number. If the resultant is divisible by 7, then the number taken is also divisible by 7. Let's understand this with an example. 91. Multiply the last digit with 2. You get 2. Then subtract it from the remaining number. So 9 minus 2 is 7. And since the resultant is divisible by 7, 91 is also divisible by 7. Let's take a larger number, 679. Multiply last digit by 2. You get 18. Then subtract it from the remaining number. 67 minus 18, 49. Since 49 is divisible by 7, 679 is also divisible. Divisibility by 11. Again follow two simple steps. First, take sum of odd digits and even digits separately. Second, take their difference. If the resultant is divisible by 11, then the number is also divisible by 11. For example, 1, 2, 1. Take sum of odd digits. 1 plus 1 is 2. Subtract it from the even digits. In this case, only 2 is there. So 2 minus 2 is 0 and 0 is divisible by 11. So 1 to 1 is also divisible by 11. Let's take a bigger number. Sum of odd digits 1 plus 6 plus 9 is 16 minus sum of even digits 0 plus 5, 5. The resultant is 11 and 11 is clearly divisible by 11. So 10659 is also divisible by 11. Lastly, we'll look into divisibility by 13. We'll follow our favorite two-step procedure. 1. Multiply last digit by 4. Second, add it to the remaining number. Let's take 273. Multiply last digit by 4. You get 12 and add it to the remaining number. So 27 plus 12 gives 39, which is clearly divisible by 13. So 273 is also divisible by 13. Let's take another example. 1274. Multiply last digit by 4. 4 into 4, 16. Add it to the remaining number. 127 plus 16 is 143, which is also a multiple of 13, making 1274 divisible by 13. They are all very simple once you practice them.